The rattler? What is it? Is it a fox? Where is this fox? Down here, there's a fox's den. Mean foxes down there. Do they hurt people? Goodness gracious. Thank you for talking. Thank you very much. Kind of wet here. Very, very wet. Goodness gracious. I was going along here, Cheseboro Canyon, and the raven made a sound it sounded like a rattlesnake rattling. And I asked, is it a rattlesnake? And the raven said, fox. 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 I'm getting close to the place. And the woodpeckers agreed. They said it a little differently. They said it in woodpecker dialect. They said fox. And I said, well, is the fox so mean? And they said, and the raven said, lots of foxes there. They will tear you, very mean foxes, they will tear you limb from limb. I'm going, this can't be so. Could this possibly be so? And then I saw these two creatures when I was out that way. I don't know what they are. One looked like a coyote and one was red like a fox. And I asked then, I said, is that a coyote? Is that a fox? And one raven said coyote and the other raven said fox. And somebody asked, one of the birds asked, is it coyote? Is it fox? And Big Raven said, fox. I'm getting close again, so we'll see what happens. Fox? Fox over here? Back there? Oh, good. Sweet bird, sweet bird. Sweet bird. That's it, sweet, sweet bird. Sweet bird. Sweet bird, I love you. I love you. Okay. Don't scare my babies is what it said twice. Okay. Okay, I'm leaving. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Please, please, don't scare me. What? Oh no, fox? 5 foxes. Oh no. Down there. You hear them? Do you hear what the ravens are saying? Trying to find them. Very mean foxes. Big foxes. Very big fox. One fox. Fox. Fox, 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 fox. Oh no. I'm going over here. I'm scared of those foxes. Eat me up. Right. Very beautiful. Gee, look at the sun. I can't find that raven. I don't know where it is. Hidden raven. Hawk. Hawk. Hawk, hawk.
Let's think about it. If I leave my yacht and go on
Great raven, strong raven. Flies like the wind, raven. Yay! I love you. Hawk, hawk, hawk. One hawk. Yeah. Wow. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. I'm leaving.